The chiropractors who are good at adjusting are the best at that in the world. They just are. There's nobody that's better at that. I mean, I know that there's some massage therapists and physical therapists, and there's some DOs that do manipulation of some sort or do some sort of adjustments. Like, get out of here. Get out of here. Like they're not even in the ballpark of a chiropractor who they know what they're doing. They're good with their hands. Get out of here. Like, to compare us to that is just absolutely absurd and ridiculous. So purely from a performance standpoint, we are the best in the world at adjusting. I will die on that hill.